We're at the Cruising Yacht Club of Australia and we're doing the Audi sailing experience. We turned up and there was some lovely sandwiches and bites to eat. A couple of the guys got to have a beer, and then we went out on the water, learned how to sail on these little boats, and then we ended up having a few races. It was a great day out. If you get the chance, jump on it. You know, even on a rainy day like today, miserable, overcast, it was still a lot of fun getting out there. A good bunch of people, well organised event.
We'll see you back again?
Definitely. When's the invite?